If you have a Sony camera, then I think you might be interested in this lens right here. This is actually a Samyang lens, but it's a different kind of lens. This time they collaborated with Schneider. So it's a Schneider and Samyang lens. It's an AF 24-60mm f2.8 FE lens, strictly for Sony full frame mount. Now, if you don't know who Schneider is, these guys are involved in some very high level, optical imaging. These guys make lenses for aerospace. They make lenses for, high profile medical imaging services, as well as photography and cinematography, optical lenses. So I think it's a very good collaboration. Now, one of the reasons I love this lens is the fact that it's different from the 24-70s that I usually use. It has a narrower zoom range, and there are like 6 things that really caught my interest when I was using this lens. One of the first one is the compact size. It's actually small, it's not so heavy, it's very easy to use. Then another feature I love is the smooth zoom. When you're using the zoom, it's actually very buttery. It zooms in easily, zooms out easily. Another feature I love is the fact that it practically doesn't have any chromatic aberration or even distortion on the edges. If you find any, it's because it's not there. To be honest, it's very, very good. It practically doesn't even have any vignetting on the edges, and that's rare when I'm using a zoom lens. Another thing that I love is I think this is the one I love the most, is the constant maximum aperture. Most times when you find the lens with like f2.8, once you start zooming in on the lens, right, it starts changing the aperture. It starts getting darker. With this lens, you actually do not get that at all. And the last factor is the rock solid auto focus. I've used this lens in like different scenarios, and I was really impressed at what I found the lens to be able to do. If you want to test this lens out, you can actually reach out to Camera Joint before you buy it. They have an experience center where you can actually use the lens itself and see how it works. But trust me when I tell you, it's actually a pretty good lens. I actually was skeptical initially because of the 24-60. But when I saw Schneider, I was like, okay, these guys are very serious. It's almost like a, Insta360 Luna and Leica. It's a very great combination. Try it out and see how it works.